So here we have our car TPMS, our RS232 system. So obviously we have the receiver here. It's going to output the signal you need out of your plug here. Plugs into here. You've got your high and low signals coming out of here to go into your telemetry system. Send the data you don't need, and then you obviously have power and ground. You can take a wide voltage input. So obviously this is installed in the car under the dash. Then you just screw your external sensors on. So they just have a thread right there. They screw straight on, and you'll be able to get live pressures and temps from your tyres coming into your system. So very handy if you have a telemetry setup system already and you want to bring in the tyre pressures and temperatures as well. Lock nuts in here that can go on before you screw on onto sensors, so that helps to stop like theft. A small spanner. These in here just have a common CR battery, so you spin that off and you replace the battery. So normally people just put that on their yearly maintenance schedule, so it just gets replaced whenever that happens. And then here's got a few mounting nuts if you wanted to actually screw that on, but depending where you're going to mount that, you can choose that.